To Elaine Reyes. She is in our newsroom. Elaine, there's been a lot of reaction to the death of Nelson Mandela on social media. What have people been saying?
That's right, Anand. For the last couple of hours, that's all we've been seeing on Twitter and Facebook and Weibo. We pulled together some responses from all around the world. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we've been seeing online. I can tell you that David Cameron, the British Prime Minister, says a great light has gone out in the world. Nelson Mandela was a hero of our time. I've asked for the flag at number 10 to be flown at half-mast. Stephen Harper, the Prime Minister of Canada, says all of Canada mourns with the family of Nelson Mandela and the citizens of South Africa. The world has lost one of its great moral leaders. Also, the President of Colombia, Juan Manuel Santos, is speaking out on Twitter. He put this out: "We lament profoundly the passing of Nelson Mandela. His legacy is our blueprint for reaching peace." Of course, we're translating there. He is written in Spanish. And we also want to go to the President of Mexico, Enrique Peña Nieto. He is saying, "Representing Mexico, I lament profoundly his death and extend my condolences to the people of South Africa." And of course, it's just not world leaders. We're seeing all walks of life, everyone from celebrities to world leaders to regular people just speaking out about the death. Of course, you see there on your screen the United Nations. Stephen Fee had mentioned Ban Ki-moon's reaction. I will never forget his selflessness and deep sense of purpose. You can go on down the line. Just there coming up is Dilma Rousseff, the president of Brazil, also speaking out. Madeleine Albright, former Secretary of State here in the United States. Also on Weibo, we're seeing all sorts of stuff as well. We'll continue to monitor social media for you guys. Back to you in the studio.
All right, Elaine, thank you.